So here is the exception handling in Python. What is exception handling in Python? In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you what is it. So imagine you are baking a cookies using a recipe, but sometimes things can go wrong. For example, you might run out of flour or accidentally burn the cookies. Exception handling in Python help us handle such a situation and prevent the program from crashing. So it likes having a protective someone that actually saves you from unexpected things that handles the error. Let me show you with the help of example. So in this example we have a recipe for baking a cookies. Now we want to calculate the ratio of flour to sugar. However, there might be some errors along the way. There might be kind of errors. Okay, so inside the try block we have the calculation recipe is equal to flour divided by sugar. The program is actually try to divide the amount of flour by the amount of sugar to get the recipe ratio. If everything goes smoothly and there is a no error, the program continues executing the lines after the try block. So in this case, it means you have enough gradients, let's bake the cookies. So however there is an error during the calculation, the program jumps to the appropriate accept block based on the type of error. So in this example, we have two accept blocks. The first one, the accept block, is actually zero division error and has the specific error that occurs when dividing by zero. Whenever you try to divide a number by zero, then that kind of error will gonna happen, and that kind of block will gonna fix that error. The program will actually gonna print, oops, you need more sugar, cannot divide by zero, and this error occur. So in this case, not having enough sugar. Okay, so the second accept block is the accept exception as e, act as a catch all for any other type of error that might occur. So that kind of block is actually faces the error that is actually totally different from the above one. So it brings a journal kind of error message such as, oops, something went wrong, something went wrong. That is actually followed by the specific error message str and bracket ne. So we can say that exception handling help us anticipate and handle errors gracefully. It prevents our program from crashing and allow us to respond to errors in a controlled manner. So you can control your errors. You can actually handle your errors in your Python program during the execution. It's like having a safety. Okay, it's like having a safety net in your baking adventure. If something unexpected happens, instead of giving up, you can catch the problem and say, oops, let's figure out what went wrong and try again. So here, how it's simple is it. I hope this explanation makes expansion handling simpler to understand. Let me know if you have any more question. I am there to help you. See you soon in the next section.